In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to your LG TV. So let's get started. Let's start with the wireless method, which is the easiest if your LG TV is newer and supports Airplay too. First, make sure your iPad and LG TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then on your iPad, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and then tap on screen mirroring and you should see your LG TV listed here in a couple of seconds. Now tap the TV and within a few seconds your iPad screen will appear on the TV and you can now watch videos, show photos or even play games on the big screen. But if your LG TV doesn't show up, check the TV settings, go to your home dashboard and find Airplay and you're on your TV and make sure Airplay is turned on because some LG TVs have it off by default. Now, if your LG TV doesn't support Airplay, the second option is using an HDMI adapter. Depending on your iPad model, use an Lightning to HDMI adapter or either use a USB to HDMI adapter and then plug the adapter into your iPad and then connect the HDMI cable to the TV and then switch to the correct HDMI input and your screen will show instantly. This method doesn't need Wi-Fi at all and works on every single LG TV, whether it be a new version or an older model. You can also connect a Bluetooth controller if you want to play games while mirroring. Just go to settings, Bluetooth on your iPad, and pair it like any other device. Obviously, you would want to hold down the pairing buttons on your controller, whether it be a PlayStation or Xbox controller, and like any other device, just connect it using Bluetooth. And that's it. Once it's connected, you're ready to stream, mirror apps, or game on a much bigger screen using your iPad. So that'll be for today. And I hope this video helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.